5-3, you're going to solve these two-step linear inequalities. Number 4, you're just going to solve these inequalities. In this video, I will be covering the first 4 problems, A to D first. Let's look at A. Okay, let's draw our line down here so we can separate the left from the right. Okay, our goal here is to get the letter alone. So I have 2y minus 4. And so let's try to get rid of that minus 4 first. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. This does cancel. Everything else on the left comes straight down. So the 2y comes down. The inequality symbol comes down. Negative 28 plus 4 becomes negative 24. Please understand this is attached to the letter y via multiplication. So to get rid of that 2 times, we're going to divide by 2. Divide by 2 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with just a y on the left. Negative 24 divided by 2, it is negative 12. Notice I divide by positive, so the symbol remains the same. Okay, so that would be your complete answer. All right, let's look at B here. We have x divided by negative 10. Subtract 2, it is greater than or equal to negative 4. So we're trying to get the letter alone. So let's deal with this outside term first. So how do you get rid of a negative 2? We're going to add 2 to both sides. Negative 2 plus 2 does cancel, leaving you with just a x divided by negative 10. Bring down that inequality symbol. Negative 4 plus 2 does become negative 2. And multiply this by negative 10. Multiply this by negative 10. This cancels, right? Leaving you with just an x here, right? There's a 1x, but it's just really just x. Negative 2 times negative 10, it is a positive 20. Notice because you multiply by negative, this inequality does flip, okay? Because you multiply by negative. So the answer is x, it is less than or equal to 20. Let's look at now C. Right, here's the line down the middle. We have negative 12r plus 20 is greater than negative 16. The outmost word term here, it is the plus 20, so we're going to subtract 20 to both sides. This cancel because it makes the number 1. Everything comes down. Negative 12r comes down, which is greater than negative 16, and negative 20 becomes negative 36. Please understand this is attached via multiplication, so it's negative 12 times r. To get rid of this times negative 12, we're going to divide by negative 12, divide by negative 12. So this does cancel because negative 12 over negative 12 just becomes the number 1. So it's 1r. Everyone just writes the number r, right? The negative 36 divided by negative 12 is the number 3. Because you divide it by negative, the inequality switch. So it's r, it is less than 3. Let's look at the letter D here. We have 4m plus 18. It is less than negative 18. The outwardmost term here is the plus 18. So we're going to subtract 18 to both sides. Plus 18 minus 18 does cancel, leaving you with a 4m on the left-hand side. Negative 18 and negative 18 on the right becomes, I think, negative, this becomes 6, 1, 36. Right? Negative 36. Okay? That inequality comes straight down just the way it is. Please understand this, that 4 is attached via multiplication in front of that m, so we're going to divide by 4 to both sides. We do that because 4 divided by 4 does cancel, giving you the number 1. Negative 36 divided by 4 becomes negative 9. Bring out that inequality symbol. You have m, it is less than negative 9. So there you go. These are your first 4 problems for solving two-step inequality problems.